You touched on the one that I am most excited about, which is the AI scientist.
Yeah.
This is crazy that we're sitting here seriously talking about this. I know there's like a quibble on what the Turing test literally is, but the popular conception of the Turing test sort of went whooshing by.
Yeah, that was fast. Yeah.
You know, it was just like, we talked about it as this most important test of AI for a long time. It seemed impossibly far away. Then all of a sudden it was passed. The world freaked out for like a week, 2 weeks. And then it's like, all right, I guess computers like can do that now.
Yeah.
And everything just went on. And I think that's happening again with science. My own personal like equivalent of the Turing test has always been when AI can do science. Like that is always like, that is a real change to the world. And for the first time with GPT-5, we are seeing these little examples where it's happening. You see these things on Twitter. It made this novel math discovery and did this small thing in my physics research, my biology research. And everything we see is that that's going to go much further. So in 2 years, I think the models will be doing bigger chunks of science and making important discoveries. And that is a crazy thing. Like that will have a significant impact on the world. I am a believer that to a first order, scientific progress is what makes the world better over time. And if we're about to have a lot more of that, that's a big change.
It's interesting because that's a positive change that people don't talk about. It's gotten so much into the realm of the negative changes if AI gets extremely smart. But
curing every disease is like...
we could use a lot more science.
Yeah.
That's a really good point. I think Alan Turing said this. Somebody asked him, they said, well, you really think the computer is going to be, smarter than the brilliant minds? He said, it doesn't have to be smarter than a brilliant mind, just smarter than a mediocre mind like the president of AT&T.